Welcome to Trek the Valleys. Good morning and welcome to Trek the Valleys. Today we're doing the Four Falls walk, starting off at the cave. Then we're going to go through to the other waterfalls. Something different about this trek today, it's a social event for work. So I got a lot of colleagues coming around with me. So let's make a move on. It's a lovely day today. Yeah, that way. Right, we're heading to Sgwd Eira now. So we're doing the waterfall of snow first and working our way back then through the other waterfalls, back to the car park. Right, let's go to the interesting Sgwd Eira. Yeah, this is fun, isn't it?
Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
Is this the 110 step?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, that's
No screaming kids today. Screaming kids last time coming down. They definitely weren't screaming coming back up here. It's absolutely roaring today. We've had some rain and it's roaring. Can't wait to get behind this waterfall. Absolutely amazing. Look at this. Right, I'm going to knock my mic off now so you can hear this roar. Absolutely amazing. To feel the spray already. Awesome. Let's get behind this bad boy. Woo! Let's get behind here. Yeah. Look at this spray. Woo! Woo! Exhilarating, isn't it? Wow! Woohoo! Absolutely drenched. Ah, exhilarating. Absolutely love that. Look at it. Back up these bad boys now.
Come on, Oscar. Come down, boy.
Job. Look at this. Look at this. Amazing. Sgwd y Pannwr. Roaring.
It's in this one last time, remember?
Right, we're just approaching Sgwd Isaf Clun-Gwyn. Sgwd Isaf Clun-Gwyn. Absolutely amazing. Look at this. Right, making our way now to the last waterfall. Sgwd Clun-Gwyn. Yes, been amazing so far. Good weather, everything accessible. Nice cup of tea now by the last waterfall, I think. Definitely. Right, let's go.
Yeah.
I was only joking.
No,
It is typhoon season. Well, technically September is then
Yeah.
typhoon season.
Approaching the last waterfall. Sgwd Clun-Gwyn. Sgwd Isaf Clun-Gwyn.
Yeah, this is one you thought was up close. The one
No, no.
that All you said was close.
No, it was the other one.
Oh, the river path, was it?
Yeah. This one's normally because you come to the top of the waterfall here. Absolutely amazing, look at this. So we managed to get to all 4 falls. Absolutely amazing. So I'm going to make a nice cup of tea now and then make my way back to the car park. Great stuff. This is the Avon Melter Bridge. So now we're going to go back to the car park. Right. What a fun day it's been. Really glad to get out today. The weather's been amazing. It was cold this morning, but the temperature's really picked up now. Very, very mild. Managed to get to all the waterfalls. Been really fun. Got round pretty quickly as well. So we're following now the Malta back to the car park. And then a nice cup of tea. Right. Right. Let's have a nice cup of tea and a salmon bagel. Right, cup of tea time. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Cheers. Good hike. Everyone's making their way over to the Red Lion now. So I'm going to drink this up and meet them over there. Good stuff, good stuff. Pack everything away now. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Right, a short one today on a social event in work, the Four Falls walk. Managed to make every waterfall, which was great, and the Malta Bridge. So I'm going to leave it there now. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Trek the Valleys. Bye.